In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram story to Facebook story. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also subscribe to this channel. To do this, it is quite simple. If you have already uploaded your Instagram story, for my case, this is my Instagram story, and I'd like to share it on Facebook. To do it, just head over here and tap on share. And you can see we have two options, either to share on Facebook or WhatsApp. So I'd like to go ahead and share on Facebook. So I'll tap on Facebook, and then this will load my Facebook account, and I'll have to select the Facebook account that I want to share. So I'll tap on it and then tap on continue. So I'll select Facebook here, which is this, and then continue by clicking on it, and then finalize by tapping on allow and finish adding. So this will go ahead and share it. Now let's go to Facebook and see if the story has been shared across. So if I tap my Facebook and then refresh it, you can see my Instagram story now is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it, and look at that, the story has successfully been shared on my Facebook story. So that's how you share your Instagram story on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.